Welcome. In this video, I'll be discussing why the adage, "you are what you eat," is spot on. This phrase speaks to our well-being. Food is one of the most important factors in our overall health. The food we eat literally becomes who we are and influences our physical, mental, and even emotional well-being. We are what we eat because each food we choose is a collection of molecules of information and messages to the body. We break down food into smaller units to help run the operations of the body. In essence, what is put into the body is what the body will use in the construction and replacement of its cells, hormones, and neurotransmitters. Therefore, food is like the fuel to our body. Unfortunately, our modern diet has become more and more intolerable to our natural state of being, such that many illnesses and diseases in the body are coming from what we eat and our general lifestyle choices. Today's fast foods and processed foods are known to be high in sugar and saturated fats, both of which have a negative impact on the body. If we add to this our daily intake of sugars, tobacco, alcohol, and poor level of physical exercise, it isn't any surprise that there's an epidemic of chronic diseases today. A poor diet causes many health problems such as hypertension, heart disease, obesity, and diabetes. Besides, making ill choices in what foods we eat means that our immune system will be compromised and more susceptible to illness and infection. On the other hand, nutritious food choices not only contribute to optimal physical health and well-being, but can actually be a tool for supporting and even improving our mental health. Our body has a natural way of living and being, which requires food to nourish and support it to function at an optimal level. Each organ and every cell in our body has a job to do, and food plays a big part by supplying nutrients and giving the body energy and hydration. Eating a plant-based diet, which has a variety, will support us in obtaining the nutrients we need and increase our resilience against infection and live a longer and healthier life. I call this health span. So I hope you learned something from this video, and until next time, stay well.